Hey guys, it's Gigi. Welcome to my kitchen. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're having a great day. And I appreciate you joining me one more time for another great recipe, or I hope it's a great recipe. It's one of my husband's favorites. And so today we're going to be making some potato salad. So y'all come along with me and let's chop up some potatoes, get them on to boil, and get our eggs to boiling, and let's make us a potato salad, okay? Hey guys, it's Gigi. I'm just washing some potatoes. I'm going to get ready to cut these potatoes and put them on to boil, and I am going to be making some potato salad. Okay, putting our water on to boil. Going to go ahead and salt our water for our potatoes. Okay, we've got our potatoes washed, and we are just going to chop them up. Get them ready to put in our boiling water. And we're going to make some potato salad. These are very thin skinned potatoes. So I'm going to leave the peelings on. Just putting them in little bite-sized pieces. And I know you guys don't want to watch me do this the whole entire time. So let me get these chopped up and I'll come back. Okay, let's check our potatoes. I've got my eggs boiling in with my potatoes on to boil. Let's see if they're, oh yes, they are fork tender. I'm gonna turn them off and give them a drain, and we're gonna put this potato salad together. Okay, y'all, our potatoes have finished boiling. I've drained them. I have peeled our eggs. Our potatoes are fork tender. So now we're going to put our potato salad together. And you know what? I forgot one thing that I want to put in my potato salad. So give me just 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, almost forgot to dice up my onions for my potato salad, because y'all know I'm not a big fan of onions, but my husband loves onions in his potato salad. So what I did is I finally chopped them up pretty small, and I will just deal with it because, like I said, I can eat them. I just don't prefer them if I have a choice and it's just me. A lot of times I'll just put onion powder, okay? Because I think it's just maybe like the texture of the onion. I don't know. Sometimes an onion is just really strong. But anyhow, I'm going to put it in my potato salad because I'm fixing this for my husband's supper, and I know that he loves it in there, okay? So let's start by adding our salt and our pepper. Y'all know I salted the water. I did a little clip of that prior to this. So I salted my water, but I'm going to do some salt. Now, anytime you're seasoning, you add the seasoning that you love, that your family loves, because that's who you're cooking for, okay? And then I'm also going to add a little black pepper, and I will taste it. If I feel like I need more, I'll add more. So I'm also going to do some garlic powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and just to add some more flavor, I am going to go ahead and add some onion powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of that as well, okay? All right, let's put our onions in. And that is about 1/4 of a medium-sized onion, okay? Okay, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of relish. You can use dill relish, whatever, sweet relish. I'm using dill relish, okay? You can use whichever relish you like, but I'm doing about a tablespoon of that. Okay, now let's chop up our eggs really quick and put them in as well. I just dice them up in small little pieces, about like I do the onions. And I'm doing 3 boiled eggs. My husband loves potato salad. Do y'all like potato salad? And how do you do yours different than what I'm doing? Hey, I'm always up for new ideas. I know everybody cooks different. We can all make the same exact thing and put our own twist and do it totally different than what somebody else will do. And you know what the fun of that is? That's the privilege of being able to cook for your family and to cook in your own kitchen. You can fix it the way you like it or the way your family likes it. So I put salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dill relish, eggs, chopped up, some onions, and I will, and of course y'all know, and this makes no difference, you use whatever mayonnaise you like. I'm a blue plate girl, so that's what mayonnaise I'll be using, but you use whatever mayonnaise you like. And give my hands a little rinse. Okay. Now on my mayonnaise, I will just guesstimate, and if I need to add more, then I will. But I'm going in with 2 heaping serving spoons for now. And I think I am going to add a little bit more black pepper just because we like it. Okay. And I probably should have gotten a bigger bowl, but I'm using this mixing bowl because I wanted you to be able to see through it. And I'm just kind of tossing it over and under, getting that mayonnaise and all those spices and onions and pickles and everything just all incorporated through there. I think that's going to be plenty of mayonnaise. I don't think I'm going to have to add any more. That looks really good. Let me get me a little serving dish. Dish this up a little bit. Let me try this out. Grab me a spoon. And it's funny, but I like potato salad the best when the potatoes are it's still a little bit warm. A lot of people like it to be put in the refrigerator and served cold. And I like it that way, and I'll eat it that way, but I love it when it's warm. Don't need to add a thing. That's delicious. I'm going to serve this tonight for supper with some baked beans and a piece of grilled chicken. Oh, so good, y'all. So good. See if y'all can see how creamy it is. It's really, really delicious. My husband loves potato salad, so he's going to be happy that this is on tonight's supper menu. Well, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me for another recipe. I appreciate it, and I thank you for it. I hope you'll make you some potato salad, and like I said, if you do anything different, drop it in the comments and let me know. I'm always open to suggestions and open to new recipes and trying new things. That's for sure. My husband and I, neither one are real picky eaters. I mean, we've got a few things that we maybe don't care for, but for the most part, we're not picky eaters. We didn't come up in a generation where you were picky. You ate what was put on the table, and you were grateful for it because you weren't going to snack 1,000 times in between meals. You was going to get something else to eat at the next meal. So you were grateful for whatever was on the table. And if it was something that you didn't like, you had to try it. I wasn't forced to eat it, but I had to try it at least. So I think I have a pretty good palate. I'm not that picky about food. But anyhow, hey, I'm going to go and get the rest of my supper done. Thank you for hanging out with me. And I'll see you back in my kitchen again real soon for another great recipe. And until then, be kind to somebody. Show somebody the true meaning of the season. And it's the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior, okay? Spread his love and his kindness in the story of Jesus during this holiday season. And be his hands and feet and his mouthpiece. And I'll see you back again real soon in my kitchen. Bye, guys.